Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Bharat Speaks show. And you are listening to the Bharat Speaks Originals. I'm your host, Bharat Kumar Gurinarva. So, today, let's understand how a geopolitical conflict thousands of kilometers away can impact everyday life in India. So, the rising tensions involving the United States, Iran, and Israel have created an uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz, a narrow waterway that carries a large share of the world's oil and gas shipments. So, for India, this route is extremely important. So, a significant portion of our LPG and crude imports travel through this corridor, which is called as the Strait of Hormuz. So, when tensions disrupt shipping in that region, global energy markets immediately feel the pressure, and countries dependent on imports begin to experience supply concerns. So, what looks like an international conflict on the news can slowly translate into energy challenges at many households. So this is what happening in the Strait of Hormuz, and this is what happening in India, and this is the LPG crisis. So happy listening and happy investing. Stay safe and happy listening. Thank you.